Hello from Seoul. Today, I'm gonna make the iconic Korean street food, gimbap and rabokki. Don't worry about it. I try not to mess it up. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. I know I'm not gonna mess it up, but I think it's better to follow Aaron's directions for your inner peace. So let's just jump into the Q&A.
Would Claire ever consider cooking for you in one of the videos? That's happening right now. Is Claire know how to cook? I'm not sure, but we'll see. Claire or green onion? Come on, you really don't want me to live anymore. Told you, happy wife, safe life. Did anyone tell you that you look like Randall Park? Yes, more than 1,000 times. I hope he doesn't feel bad about it.
근데 칼질 뭐 그냥 하면 할 수 있다고.
솔직히 나름 띵리하게 잘 자르고 있어.
What is your favorite non-Korean food? Needless to say, cheeseburger. If you could eat one meal forever, what would it be? Definitely cheeseburger.
Claire, what's your favorite non-Asian cuisine? I do love Mexican food. Claire, what's your favorite noodle dish? Jampong, spicy seafood noodle soup. Aaron has a great recipe for that, so if you miss it, please check it out.
Can you do more vegetarian recipes? Most of my recipes can be made vegetarian. You can simply change the protein to your choice, and the condiment, you can use soy sauce instead of oyster sauce, and you can use mushroom stock instead of chicken bouillon powder or beef stock powder. That's it. It's really easy to convert to vegetarian or vegan. That's why I don't specifically make recipes only for vegetarians. So as always, just try it with what you have. Don't worry about it. They're gonna be delicious. Do you have a jjajangmyeon recipe for Muslims? Actually, the reason why we're using pork for jjajangmyeon is to reduce the cost. So just replace the pork with beef. No problem at all. Maybe that could be more delicious.
Claire, what's Aaron's worst meal? I don't think I have the right to complain about his dish in daily life because I'm not the one who cooks.
오! 오! 됐어.
Did you move? We've got a lot of this question, but no, I hope so. I can't find my house keys. Where are they? You mean the key to my heart? Sorry about that. How old are you? We're 35. Darn it.
Claire, do you like to cook? I love to eat.
Aaron, how did you become so hilarious? I'm naturally born. Sorry about that. Please don't unsubscribe. My kids want to know more about your dog. Her name is Hodu, meaning walnuts in Korean. She's a toy poodle and 4 years old. And for information, she's spoiled. Can you two adopt me? Sure, if you don't mind being Hodu's younger sister or brother. Why didn't you guys get a dishwasher? Does Claire have to always repay for tasty food by doing dishes? Exactly, I wanna see her suffer. Do you cook all the dishes for one video in one day? How does Claire eat them all? Yes, I cook all the dishes in one day, and I think you still underestimate her.
What's your favorite American food? American breakfast. I can eat it literally every day. What are each of your favorite recipes that Aaron has made? Teriyaki chicken. I had low expectations about that dish, but it just blew my mind.
I've watched some of your travel videos, and I'm curious if you do anything like that again. Yes, we're planning to film the food vlog again, but I think it's gonna be a bit different format from the previous one, so please stay tuned.
테이블 스푼이 있네? 그러면 2배 하면 되나?
With the world slowly opening up, where are you going to travel to first? Probably Hawaii, because we've been there for our honeymoon and wanna go back to celebrate our 10th anniversary. Vancouver? Don't worry about it, I'll be there soon. Are you planning to have your own cookbook? Yes, it's coming in December, just right before Christmas. So please look forward to it. It's gonna be really awesome. Are you a trained chef? I've been asked this question a lot, and my answer is yes. I used to work in restaurants as a chef, and I never went to a culinary school, but I have worked and trained at restaurants in Sydney. Is YouTube your job, or do you have other jobs? Currently, making videos is our full-time job, so please don't skip the ads, please. Before YouTube, what did you guys do to earn money? Long story short, I studied finance but worked in restaurants and then served as a Navy officer. Yeah, I know this is so cool, right? Anyway, after that, worked in finance and I make videos right now.
Believe it or not, I was an English teacher. How did you know that?
How and where have you first met? How many years are you together? On a blind date. We are introduced by a mutual friend. Hi Patrick, and we've been together for 10 years.
How did you learn to speak English? Aaron studied in Australia and I studied English only in Korea. But when I was a university student, I wanted to learn more, so I went to Spokane, Washington and stayed there for 1 year.
So when are you coming back to Australia? Always want to come back, mate? Where did you purchase your knives? You're saying this knife, right? This is Shun Premier Chef knife. I never thought this is good for home cooks, but it seems Claire loves it, so I'll put the Amazon link in the description. What kind of equipment do you use? First of all, the pans and woks that I'm using in the video is called Lock and Lock Hard and Light. But sadly, I think they only sell in Korea. I think I have to call the manufacturer to collaborate. So if I find any solution, I'll let you know. Other than that, I'll share the links in the description. What inspired you to start making cooking videos on YouTube? To make some money. I'm kidding. When I watched cooking shows on YouTube, I always thought like that's what fine dining does, or too complicated. So I wanted to make it easier, simpler, and tastier. That's why I started making videos. Are you going to make more green onion, more delicious merch, t-shirt, apron? What do you want? Please share the ideas. I'll move my ass. What is your favorite ingredient besides green onion? What? Besides green onion? You really crossed the line. Besides green onion, I have to say it's garlic. That green dude is so lovely, so it gets most of the attention. But if you really think about it, every recipe has tons of garlic in it. Aaron, how did half a year pass so quickly? Tell me about it. Hate getting older. Why is Aaron's voice so smexy? You know something? I wanna give you a prize or something. Who mostly does the cooking when not filming? If you're watching Claire's cooking right now, you know. When are we going to see the Pad Thai episode? Soon, you're gonna love it so much. Favorite genre of food? Thai food. What is for dinner? Pasta?
How much udu could udu chok if udu chok could chok ud? Did I do it right?
Has Claire ever not liked one of your dishes? I've never tried making dishes that Claire don't like to protect myself, but maybe when we hit 2 million, I'll take the risk.
What's the behind the scenes of making your cooking videos? Believe it or not, I help him film and our fur baby Hodu is napping on the couch.
Do either of you have any hobbies outside of cooking? Weight training. You may be surprised if you see what's under my shirt. And that's why Claire keeps slim. What are you doing? Run to the gym and do heavy squats.
Your home decor seems very minimalist. Is that a conscious decision? And is your kitchen opposite of that? Yes, I try to be a minimalist because I think the best interior is simplicity. But since we are trying to make many types of dishes, we can't avoid our kitchen being full of stuff. I think it's gonna explode soon.
What to do with a lot of colored bell peppers? Juggling? What healthy ramen dinner would you recommend? Ramen can be healthy, my friend. Let's face the reality. Still worry about health? Go to the gym. Go to the gym, my friend. What's your favorite quick dinner recipe? Kimchi fried rice and gyudon. How is the produce so big? Size in Korea? 2 to 3 times bigger than in the USA. I have no idea, but can I be proud of the size? Please say something, people from Texas. What's the cocktail recipe for green onion? Challenge accepted, but I'm not sure I can make it.
Alright, gimbap and rabokki are done. How do they look? They look absolutely delicious, right? Alright, let's call today's taste tester. Aaron!
Gimbap and tteokbokki, so colorful.
not bad.
맛있는 건 이게 맛있지.
꼭지. 뭐라 그래야 돼? 꽁다리.
You know what? I forgot to say, let's give it a try! One more bite! This time with the sauce. Whoa. 맛있네? 맛은 있네, 생긴 거에 비해서. This time, let's try ramen noodles.
내가 언제 그랬겠어요?
You guys should see her face right now. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh.
나 따라하지 말고 진짜 맛있는 줄 해. 나 따라하는 거지.
맛있어.
했어?
되게 좋네, 근데.
남이 해주는 거 보니까 별로 좋아?
사람들이 왜 이렇게
클레어가 부럽다고 하는지 알겠어?
너무 맛있겠다. 근데 그런 건 있어. 내 채널에 이런 비주얼이 올라온다는 게 굉장히 치욕적이야. But the taste is still really good, so you should give it a try. 어떻게 해야 돼, 너?
Today, I showed you how to make gimbap and rabokki with Q&A. Thank you so much for your questions and apologies if we couldn't answer. Again, thank you so much for being with us. It's all because of you guys. Love you! Alright, this is it for today and I'll see you next time.